Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to create an ID in Line. Now let us begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to settings. At the top right, you can see the settings icon right here, just next to add friends. Click on it right now. Well, once you do that, you will be redirected to the settings page. Well, do note that there are lots of options, but worry not. All you guys have to do is simply click on this button called as profile. Click on it. And this is it guys. From here, as you guys can see, you can change the display name, change the status message and everything. And right now, as you can see, I have not set my ID, so I'm simply gonna click on this button right here. Now this is it guys. Now what you need to do is simply enter your ID. Doing so will enable others to search for you via your Line ID. I'm gonna enter it right now. Well guys, this is it. This is the Line ID that I want. So I'm simply gonna hit on check whether it is available or not. Well, it is available, so I'm simply gonna hit on save. And guys, that is it. That's how we create your ID in Line. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.